In this video, we're going to be going over videos and how to make them accessible in your Google Slides. Videos, like images, need alt text. However, the difference being when you add a video, oftentimes it will come with its own predisposed alternative text. We provide tools that help you detect these videos that already have alt text and allow you to alter them to better suit your needs. Start off by selecting Insert in the top toolbar. From here, go down to Video, and that will open up a little area for us to select which video we want to use. It's picking it directly from YouTube. I'm going to pick the Internet Accessibility Problem, and after hitting Insert, it will then directly add this to my slide. Now I'm going to want to check two things. One, do my videos have alt text? And if so, is it correct? To do this, head over to Tools. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you should see a Videos Alt Text area. Hit Refresh Videos here. This will refresh a list of videos with alt text. We can see both our videos appear with the respective alt text. In each card, we can see a little description of the alt text present, and if we hit Locate, we can see the video associated with that very alt text. Now, just by looking at this alt text, I can see that it's quite long, and following best practices, I want my alt text to be short, meaningful, and descriptive. So I'm going to go ahead and click Change Alt Text and change both my alt text. Great. Now, skipping forward a bit, I've written an appropriate alt text for both my videos, so let's go ahead and refresh them to see what they say. Yep, that's exactly what I wrote, and I'm perfectly happy with that. Great. You now know how to set alternative text for videos using Bench AI for Google Slides. You can detect them appropriately and handle them to make sure they're completely accurate.